Ever wonder how hackers break into accounts so easily? It's often because we only use one password. But what if I told you there is a simple way to double your protection? Welcome to Zia Maliky Academy. If you love quick, clear tech explainers, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is an extra layer of security for your online accounts. Instead of just entering your password, you will also need a second code, usually sent to your phone or generated by an app. Even if a hacker gets your password, they can't get in without the second step. It's like having a second lock on your digital door. In fact, Google says two-factor authentication blocks over 90% of automated attacks. There are different types of two-factor authentication, like SMS codes, authenticator apps like Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, biometrics like fingerprints or face unlock. Some are safer than others. Authenticator apps are usually more secure than SMS. To enable two-factor authentication, just go into your account settings on services like Gmail, Facebook, or Instagram. Look for security or two-step verification and follow the steps. It takes just a few minutes. That's it. Now your accounts are much harder to hack. Let me know in the comment which service you have protected with two-factor authentication. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to Zia Maliky Academy for more smart tech made simple videos.